The 2021 Method Race Wheels Teardown in Tennessee. We are about to kick off the 4,400 class. But Cade Rodd running one heck of a race. Good job. Josh Blyler still having fun as he's racing on through, and he's got a chance to make it to the podium as he's all over the throttle making his way through this race. Erik Miller did pass Cade Rodd out in the woods, so Erik Miller is physically and on adjusted time leading this race. Pulled in the pits. So Cade Rodd has retaken the lead physical, but it looks like he may be coming in. So the AMSOIL hot pits are showing to be good. Cade Rodd cannot let his guard down. What an amazing day of racing it has been thus far. It is not over yet, ma'am.
On the corrected time, Josh Blyler actually has a minute lead right now on Cade Rodd, so he made up an extra 30 seconds somewhere on that last lap.
It is going to be a race all the way to the end. I cannot wait to see how this shakes out. So Josh Blyler getting the checkered flag and officially just won this race. Josh Blyler, Cade Rodd, then Erik Miller.